Do you know many people are having trouble with warning lights appearing on their vehicle's dashboard? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Secure fuel cap. Check the fuel cap and ensure it is securely tightened. A loose cap can trigger the warning light to come on. Step 2. Check fuel quality. Evaluate the quality of the fuel. Use a good quality fuel to ensure the engine operates smoothly and adequately. Step 3. Inspect maintenance. Check for recent maintenance activities that might have impacted the vehicle's systems, especially if the battery was disconnected or replaced. Step 4. Drive it out. Drive the vehicle for a few more trips. Sometimes the light requires several ignition cycles to clear once the issue is resolved. Step 5. Seek professional help. If the issue persists after these steps, the vehicle requires a professional inspection to diagnose and resolve underlying issues with the emission system. By following these steps, your Chevy Colorado's warning light issue should be resolved. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Chevrolet users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.